Meaning of fixed assets.
Fixed assets.
Fixed assets.
Fixed assets.
Fixed assets. Fixed assets refer to the long-term tangible and intangible assets that a company owns and uses in its operations for a year or longer. These assets typically include property, plant, equipment, and land, as well as patents, trademarks, and copyrights. Fixed assets are not meant for sale but rather enable a company to produce and sell goods and services, generate revenue, and contribute to the company's overall value. Fixed assets are reported on a company's balance sheet, where they are recorded at their historical cost less any accumulated depreciation.